Hello, my name is Ed and I'm a junior web developer here at Lang Media. At Lang Media, we design and build websites every day to the highest possible quality standard. Now, we can't do this by ourselves, and we need to call upon our friend, technology. Here are our top 5 website building tools we use when going through the process of building a website. Number 1, Slack. Now, you may be thinking, that's not a web building tool, but for us it's equally as important to have a base of professional communication when constructing a website. Most of the time, it needs to be a team effort. You've got a group of creatives coming together to put the building blocks in one piece to make the whole process flow really well. So it's vital to get everyone on the same wavelength when doing their part of the process. And this is where Slack becomes much more than just a useful tool. Slack is the place where the whole team comes together to discuss ideas and share documents. At its core, it's a group messaging service, but it's so much more than that. You've got instant messaging, video calls, screen sharing, Google Drive integration so you can easily share documents between the whole team really quickly. Pro version even offers the ability to annotate screen shares live so everyone can be a little bit more involved in the process. So Slack is the application that we've chosen for our daily communications. We think it just fits the requirements best for the company, but there are other alternatives. For example, Discord is a very popular instant messaging service, but it also gives the option for video calls, screen shares, everything like that included. Now, it doesn't include the annotating, but for just general video calls, it's very reliable. So that would possibly be an alternative to look at. Number 2, Adobe XD. We use Adobe XD to create and design prototypes for websites and apps. It allows us to hand over a few key ideas to our main designers, and then they can produce a prototype, a full vision of what they imagine the website to look like. It provides the full range of creative equipment and space to be able to design a website without any need for coding or development, which will come in the later stages of the website build. Used in combination with plugins such as Anima, it can save a lot of time when it comes to developing a client's website. Figma and Affinity Designer are two alternatives that we've used in the past. Now, they are cheaper than Adobe XD. However, after using all three, Adobe XD is by far the best way to design the look of a website. Number 3, Elementor Page Builder. After creating the initial look in Adobe XD, it would be a shame to lose that when it comes to the website building phase. Now, by using Elementor Pro, we have a more visual way of putting together these pages, and it lets our designers be a little bit more active in the development part of the site. By combining Elementor with good optimization practices, we can create fantastic websites for our clients in a very quick turnaround time. This leaves them more than happy with the results. But Elementor isn't the only page builder we use. We also use Webflow, which is an incredible tool, and we use it in just as many projects as Elementor. Number 4, Envato Elements. Getting the base designs and builds of the website is one thing, but having the correct assets to make the site stand out in a competitive market is also very important. Envato Elements is our creative asset library. We use it for a lot of our website builds. It includes a large inventory of fonts to use, as well as a large array of icons to use in our website builds. As with the others, there are alternatives to look at when you're looking to implement images, icons into your site. Unsplash and FreePic are two huge outlets of massive amounts of pictures to use, so you don't have to worry about licensing issues. Number 5, Adobe Type Kit. So if we're talking about fonts specifically, there isn't much better than Adobe Type Kit. Yes, I know it's another Adobe product, but there is a reason they're the most used when creating digital media. Type Kit is amazing for getting great multi-platform fonts onto your site. There's a large library, simple integration into other Adobe creative tools, and it's one of the final pieces to the puzzle of producing a website having its own personality. The choice of font is a huge part of a website's personality, and Adobe Type Kit is the perfect way to discover those fonts. It comes with a free trial before affordable subscription options start. Lots of businesses use this, including ourselves. These tools are by no means the only ones we use on a daily basis in the pursuit of a great digital marketing experience. But without these ones specifically, we believe we would not have the same results in the same speed, time and time again. So what are your favourite site building tools? Let us know over on Instagram at Lang Media Limited. My name's Ed, and I'll see you in the next one. If you enjoyed the content of this video, please consider liking it And subscribe to the channel to never miss another video. We're going to be doing more top 5s, tips and tricks for website building in future. So I hope to see you there.